Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm working on the tractor shed today. This is kind of what we've been up to. I drove fence posts into the ground next to the 4x4. Then I cut the fence post off so that it wouldn't be sticking up so high. I put 5 on the sides, 1 up here in the front, 4 on the sides here. Same on this side. This one, I couldn't put any in the middle because I got a mass of tree roots here. But it sits down pretty solidly. After I got the fence posts cut off, I cut up the remainder of the fence post and made little brackets out of it and drilled holes in the brackets. Now I'm going to clamp the brackets into place, use my welder to weld them on, then I'm going to run a lag bolt down through that drilled hole and anchor it to the 4x4. Now these are all treated 4x4s. This should hold down the shed so that I don't have any more issues with the wind picking it up. Let's strike an arc and weld that bracket to the post. I'm going to be using this Metal Man welder. It runs on 110 volts, which is handy. And this is a number 12 extension cord. So it should handle the voltage and the amperage. Okay, we got it all hooked up. I just have to go get some welding rod. As a safety measure, I have my fire extinguisher handy. Now this is 3/32 7014 rod. Now I got to set up 3 other posts, and I'm not going to bother videoing those because it's going to be just the same thing over and over, unless something interesting happens, in which case I'll jump back in and make another video. From here on, I go on and weld the rest of the posts. But it's getting late in the day. Spent a good 6 hours on this job already today. So we're going to stop, come back at it in the morning. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.